Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have ourselves another unboxing here. This is from the United States Mint. I've actually ordered a couple of things from the Mint here as of late, and this is, without exception, an exception. It's a set I really wasn't going to get, but they came available again, and so I made the purchase here. A very high premium piece, but I figured, you know what, they did look nice. I saw some of your unboxings of these. I thought I'd give it a shot, and the U.S. Mint has used sort of a different style box here than we normally see. Let's see if we can get this thing going here. Just a second. Finding this here, but yes, indeed. So we'll see what this has entailed for us. Very good, very nice, and very curious to see what's inside of this. I'm very curious. I know what's inside of it. Actually, I ordered two different things. One of them here is going to be, let's see what we've got here. Very nice. Pull out the packing material, and we've got two things. All right. The first one here is, you've seen it before, and I got another American Innovation Proof coin because they're coming out with the reverse proof coin, so I thought I would pick up one of these as well with it, just because see what it's like here, to see if it's any different than the one I ordered before, and it's not. I just wanted to make sure. So my goal is to grab every single one of these that they have available to see if any of them are different than the other ones before them. You understand why I would do that, I'm sure. So there's that. All right. Very good. Now let's take a look at this Pride of Two Nations. Now, there's somebody left out of the Pride of Two Nations set. And, you know, Mexico probably feels pretty bad about it. But maybe once they pay for the wall, they can have their bullion piece included in this. But this is the Pride of Two Nations limited edition 2-coin set. Very high premium, but it does come with some nice packaging here and a certificate of authenticity from two different mints. I think that's kind of neat to see this collaboration for two bullion coins, and obviously special finishes and the like, you know. Both of them are 1 ounce with a different... produced by two different mints, but packaged here. It's also available in Canada, but the Canadian version, I think, has slightly different packaging. I've not seen that, not looked that up yet, but I figured, you know, let's check this out. I've seen some of your unboxings of this, and it had me kind of regretting not getting one. So this is why I decided to go ahead and get this set. So there it is. Look at that. Very cool. This is actually a cardboard this undercarriage there display, and here we have the two coins. Now this here, it's kind of flimsy underneath here, but nonetheless, we'll pull this thing out. We have the Canadian $5 coin here that is especially made for this set, and it's a little different than you normally see here. There's a maple leaf, and this is actually pretty detailed as far as the maple leaf itself. On other videos and renderings, it looks more soft appearance, but this is pretty nice detail. And then we have that etching around the edge there, with the special radial kind of lines coming out like you would see from the normal maple leaf, but also the maple leaves moving and transitioning into the stars, which I think is really cool. But it makes the text very hard to kind of read with all that going on there. And so there that is. Now this is a metal turn, and here is the queen side with the same kind of information there. But you can see the text is kind of, even though the text is raised, it's kind of washed out from the design there. But the queen herself does look a bit soft in this portrait here, but you know, that is kind of one of the criticisms, I think, overall, the Susan Blunt's version of the Queen, which was first introduced in 2004, I believe. And so there it is, but very nice to see this high quality set here. Now, the enhanced proof, which is, I think, is the first time for the United States Mint to do an enhanced. They had an enhanced uncirculated version of this coin in 2013. And that's kind of one reason why I decided to go ahead and get this, because it's an enhanced proof version of this, which shows different levels of frosting, with the heaviest and thickest being in the fields of the coin, and then varying levels of frosting on the devices there. Very nice indeed. And we have the eagle on the reverse. So I believe this is sort of the star of the show in terms of eagles and collectability. Very high premium. 2 ounces of silver for $140 is kind of it's a tough pill to swallow, even for me, because I'm trying to get more gold this year. But you know what? I figured, why not break through and let the collector in me come out a little bit. I've spent more than this on other silver coins in the past. As a collector, as a pure collector, you're not really that worried about resale value on these, which more than likely I probably won't gain that back. Just a set I kind of had wanted. So there you have it. There it is, the Pride of Two Nations, 2 different mints. And I'm hoping, for the whole North America that they do one with Mexico. Maybe next year they'll do one with Mexico and Canada and the U.S. That'd be pretty cool. And to have the Libertad, reverse proof, the U.S. Eagle, and the Canadian Maple Leaf. Post your thoughts below. We'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.